my channel. Myself, Prachi, and becoming soon Siama Prachi. Guys, this video is basically on motivation in language English because some of my South Indian friends unable to interpret it in Hindi. That's why they demanded me, and I have decided to make a video in English. So I hope you liked it and ignore my mistakes. So let's get started. Guys, I'll you want me to motivate, but I'm speaking frankly. You are the only person in this world who can motivate yourself. Nobody else can motivate you. I can show you path, but at the end you have to make yourself self motivated, and self motivate will long last. Okay, my motivation will exhaust in few days, few months, few time, anytime. Okay, so I can show you path. So let's get started. See, guys, you have to not just remember why you have started. Okay, then only you can achieve whatever you want to do. Just remember why you have chosen this path, why you are here. See, some many of the people are not here. You are lucky enough that you are in the position wherever you are. That is best for yourself. Okay, and the आगे का जो मतलब, and further the whatever is going to happen, that will also happen for your goods. Okay, so you should not just panic and stressful. Nobody, no, keep calm. Okay, मतलब स्ट्रेस लेने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You मतलब if you take stress, you are hurting yourself. You should not take stress. You have just need motivation and positive energy, and just take a coffee, drink it, feel like you are okay. You can do. Just feel like I can do, I have to do, and I must do. Okay, there is no backup option. See, whenever and wherever you are standing today, okay, it's really worthful. Okay, it's really, you have done many and lots of sacrifice in your life for that position. Okay, and you cannot go backward, or you cannot waste your further time. Whatever is situation today, you have to just face it. Because see, life is like this, only dynamic in nature. You cannot stick to one thing and like everything will do like this, and I'll not come out from my comfort zone. Everyone will serve coffee in my comfort zone, then I'll be happy. Otherwise I'll complaining every time and every time. That will not happen. Okay, you have to come out and you have to fight for yourself. You have to become warrior for yourself. Okay, just keep your stress down. Because see, I'll give an example. Whenever a donkey carry lots of weight and walk, he walks so slow. Okay, and when he is without weight, he walk fast. Just like ourselves, when we take stress on our head and then we walk, and we are keep walking, our speed is really slow. But whenever our mind is free from every headache, stress, and we are like, yes, we can do, just feel like we can do, I'll do, I can do, then our mind is so free and he can walk fast speedily. Okay, so you have just to keep your stress weight out of your brain, and just think like, I have no option, I have to face it and I have to do it. Just passionate. मतलब take everything as passion, your career as a passion. You have to do. And still if there is failure, nothing. At the end of the day, you are happy that I have tried. I have not like पीछे नहीं हटा मैं. Okay, I have tried my best, and if whatever is result, that's your, that will be for yourself, and that is good for you. Okay, then I want to quote a Hindi phrase. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. और अगर हार हो भी जाती ना, अगर, तो ठीक है यार, मतलब हो सकता है कि वो हार तुम्हारे अच्छे के लिए हो. ठीक है, आई हैव लर्न दिस इन माई लाइफ. If we have not tried and just sitting at the back and like you saying like, I can't do it, it's really difficult, so you cannot achieve anything in your life. But whenever you are decided like, okay, whatever will be the outcome, I have to try, then definitely it's a 51% chances that you can win. Okay, so that's all for today's session. I hope you have got my message. And last pro tip is that I want to say that if you are studying really hard now, okay, then keep 5 minutes for yourself, just 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and do whatever you love to do. And seriously, like if you have achieved something now, like make a plan at morning, like whatever you want to do in your day. And then if you achieved, then please celebrate. Like you should celebrate your small happiness, because happiness is the only thing we want in our life. Because we do hard work so that we can earn money, and after earning money we can buy whatever we want to buy, because that's make you happy. So when you are doing everything for happiness, why you cannot do small thing that make you happy today? Okay, we should not postpone our happiness to future, because happiness is the only thing what we want in every time. Okay, so just if you have achieved your goal for the day, then you should celebrate by small you can do your hobbies work. Like if you want, you love to do paintings, and you can make small one. Okay, if you like to watch movies or series, you can watch a 10-minute series, or yeah, you can listen songs. Okay, या फिर if you are not like यार अभी मन नहीं है, ठीक है, then you can do like dance. Okay, बारात डांस तो सबको आता है ना यार. 5 minutes sound full, and one disco song or whatever song you love, and then just dance. That will make you happy, and then you'll feel free from everything, and then sleep. I'll sure the stress will go bust, and then you can do everything with more efficiency and effectiveness. So that's all for today. I hope you get motivated. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like motivation, do subscribe. Bye bye.